Can-Am's wet sounds system was like, I don't remember, crazy money, $1,000 probably. So I did a lot of research, as I imagine anybody else would, and I bought this Boss BRT26RGB soundbar. I think it was 200 bucks on Amazon. We've had it for about a year, and it's waterproof. I pressure wash it all the time. It turns bright colors. Let's see if I can get it to turn on. Yeah, turns all kinds of colors that go with the music. I couldn't ask for anything better, and it was 200 bucks and fits perfect. Mounts real nice up there with the mounts that it came with. Great.